Hello everyone, warm greetings from Manipal. This is Dr. Pooja here, and I will be discussing a very relevant topic, or rather a very common doubt in the minds of new parents as to when do my baby's teeth actually start coming in. Now, did you actually know that all milk teeth at birth are present and very much developed in your baby's jaws that we refer to as the gum patch? The first baby tooth erupts anywhere between 6 months to 1 year. A little bit of variation here and there is absolutely normal. And the lower front teeth are the ones that commonly come in first. So if you still haven't started brushing with the eruption of my first milk tooth, that's a good time to start brushing. Invest in a soft finger brush. No need of a toothpaste, so there is no stress of the baby swallowing the paste. Just a finger brush, water. Preferably sit in a lap to lap or a knee to knee position with the help of your partner. See into the mouth and brush. Now, if your baby is already 1 year and still does not have teeth, please do not panic. But it's a good time to visit your dentist, and the dentist would guide you, educate you, evaluate if there is any need for any supplement. Now, there are actually few babies who are born with teeth. Not very rare, happens in almost 1 to 700 babies, and that's called as natal teeth if the child is born with teeth. If it happens in the first 30 days of life, we call it as neonatal teeth. So if the tooth is shaking or it's interfering in feeding, it's causing any injury on the undersurface of the tongue, it's hurting you while feeding, please report the case. Pediatric dentist along with the pediatrician will chalk out a plan and do the needful. Now, teething is something that all of us pediatric dentists commonly encounter in our clinics. There's so much stress about it, but trust me, it's not a disease. We actually need to bust the myth because it's very much a physiologic process of the tooth coming into the oral cavity. So please do not associate it with loose stools, diarrhea. Yes, it does happen. So it's our responsibility to focus on the hygiene around the child, to look for what the child is putting into the mouth. When it comes to teething rings or soothing gels, again seek assistance from your dentist. The first permanent tooth starts erupting anywhere around 6 years of age, so that's the time when you have almost 4 to 6 permanent teeth coming into the mouth. The main problem is with the permanent first molars, because that is not commonly, that does not replace any milk tooth. So very often goes unnoticed by the parents. So, people don't seek assistance for it. Decay spreads deeper, needs advanced care. So it's a very critical time from your dental health point of view. So few things that you need to keep in mind. All 20 teeth erupt into my child's mouth by the age of 3. Focus on maintenance. Every 6 months, please do visit a kid's dentist. The first window of infectivity happens anywhere between 9 to 31 months, whereas the second window of infectivity between 6 to 12 years. So these are the times you really need to focus on preventive care rather than treatment, because we do not want any problems or any pain or any kind of untoward episode in the child's oral cavity. Thank you so much.